Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will discuss about virtual environment and one of the basic rules we need to follow while dealing with projects is that different projects need different environments. The process of creating a new environment is the same as the one we discussed in the last video while we were installing PyCharm. You might have the question as to why we need different environments in the first place. Can't we simply create just one environment and complete all our projects? Now, to understand this, let's take the simple example of a library. Let's say we want a specific book and we go to the library to borrow it. Now, instead of a well-organized library, if we find that all the books are in a jumbled order and to locate that one specific book we wanted, we need to almost search the entire building. Now this above scenario would be the exact situation for our system if we try to execute different sets of projects in a single environment. This is because different projects might need different versions of the same library. So for example, let's say that we are doing a project in 2021 and your senior who has done a similar project but about 5 years back gives you a particular piece of code. Now that code may not work in 2021 because this particular installation that would have happened, the version of that same library would have been different. Now we understand what happens if we have multiple projects. If we give multiple projects, then we can assign a specific version in a specific project. Otherwise, what would happen is if we had only one environment, all the different versions of the same library would be in one place and it wouldn't be a good idea to mix everything up because the system, like the case of this particular library where every book is jumbled up, the system wouldn't understand which particular version we are requesting for. Now, let's say we create a different virtual environment for different sets of projects. For example, let's say all machine learning projects are in one environment, all computer vision projects are in another environment, and so on. Now this virtual environment is an isolated memory location in our system. The advantage here is that all the packages and the versions installed in one environment do not interfere with the packages of the other environment. Now the best advantage of this kind of a setting is that now we can install any version of a package without worrying about the version incompatibility with the packages of the main Python directory. But there is a disadvantage to creating more number of virtual environments. That is, every time you create a new environment, the system is going to allocate some extra space for that particular environment. So when you are creating new environments, please do that judiciously because if you keep on replicating, or let's say for the similar kind of task, if you keep creating new virtual environments, it is going to eat up a lot of your space in the system. Now, in the next video, we will discuss about the pandas library. So if you found this video useful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you.